You are late, Prince Kael'thas. I thought you elves prided yourselves on punctuality.
It could not be helped, Lord Garithos. We ran into a group of night elves from across the sea, and
I am not interested in your fanciful excuses. You elves are here to serve the Alliance, thus you will obey my commands to the letter. Is that clear?
Yes, Lord Garithos.
Now, the undead have begun a new offensive to retake Dalaran. Their primary strike force marched south through Silverpine, but we managed to halt its advance at the base of the mountains.
My men are ready to fight, my lord. When shall we leave for the front?
We will be leaving immediately, but your people will be staying here. Our scouts report that a second strike force may be heading this way from the east. I need you to repair the outlying observatory so that we can monitor that region.
But, my lord, we are warriors, not—
You have your orders, Prince Kael'thas. I trust your elven ears heard them clearly enough. Move out!
Insolent son of a— Let's get this over with. We should move soon. Very good. I sense something elusive. Outstanding. I'll do my best. It shall be done. My pleasure.
Yes, my liege. On my way.
What's the holdup? I feel edgy. I'll do my best. Outstanding.
Orders? Of course.
My people must be avenged. Very good. My pleasure. My people must be avenged. It shall be done. My pleasure. It shall be done. Very good.
Be quick. Time is mana.
I sense something.
Is my aid required? Right away.
We should move soon.
You need.
What's the holdup?
Say the word.
I feel edgy. We should move soon. I'll do my best. Outstanding.
Orders. Say the word. Aye, my lord.
What's the holdup?
Yes, my liege.
What ails you? As you wish.
I sense something elusive. My people must be avenged. I feel edgy.
Say the word.
I sense
The
something
Blood Elves await.
elusive.
I'll have it up in no time.
My people must be avenged. We should move soon. What's the holdup? I'll do my best.
Is someone injured?
My people must be avenged.
I thirst for magic.
Orders? Right. Right. Here's my lead. On my way.
We should move soon.
Here's my lead. Aye, my lord.
I said something elusive.
Get on with
What's
it.
the holdup? This is too easy. My people must be avenged.
Yes, my friend. Get on with it. I'll handle it. The blood elves await. I thirst for magic.
I feel
Is my
edgy.
aid required? Yes, my friend.
We should move soon. It shall be done.
Say the word.
I sent
What
something
do you need?
elusive.
What ails you? I am your servant.
I feel edgy. We should move soon. Very good.
Is someone
What's
injured?
the holdup? Months ago, we buried a number of supply caches in this area. Perhaps it's time we dug them up. We'll need all the resources we can get our hands on.
My calculations.
My people must be avenged. My pleasure.
Here's my
I
lead.
said something elusive.
You need.
We should move soon. Outstanding.
Say the word.
I sent something elusive. My people must be avenged.
Orders?
What's the holdup?
Say the word.
I feel edgy. My people must be avenged. It shall be done. My pleasure. Very good. I'll do my best. We should move soon.
What do you need? On my way. Of course.
Is someone injured?
Orders? Aye, my
I
lord.
thirst for magic as mana.
I sent something
Here's my lead.
elusive. Outstanding. What's the holdup? I feel edgy. I sent something elusive. What's the holdup?
Here's my lead.
What ails you?
What do you need?
My people must be avenged. It shall be done.
Say the word.
We should move soon. My pleasure.
Orders?
Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged.
Get on with it.
I feel edgy.
Is my aid required?
Be
The blood
quick, we
elves
should
await.
move
Time is
soon.
mana. Is my aid required? Of course.
I sense something elusive. I'll do my best. Very good.
Yes, my word.
What's the holdup? Outstanding. My pleasure. I'll do my best.
Indeed. Right. Aye, my lord.
My people must be avenged.
Orders?
What's the holdup?
Say the word.
We should move soon.
Orders? Of course.
I sense something elusive.
Get on with it.
I feel
The Blood
edgy.
Elves await. Leave it to me.
Yes, my friend.
What do you need?
My people must be avenged. We should move soon. It shall be done. Very good. Ah, the hidden supplies. This will prove useful.
My fire be purged.
Vengeance. Outstanding. I'll do my best. That's done it. The observatory has been repaired. Let's move quickly and get to work on the others. Outstanding.
No, not like that. Let me do it.
I feel edgy.
Be quick.
I sense
Time
something
is mana.
elusive. Very good. My pleasure. It shall be done. What's the holdup?
I thirst for magic.
Yes, my liege. On my way.
What's the holdup?
The Blood
Get
Elves
on
await.
with it. Must be avenged.
Say the word.
We should move soon.
Be quick. Time is mana.
I sense something. What elusive?
Yes, my liege. Orders? Right.
I feel
Indeed.
edgy.
I thirst for magic.
Orders?
We should move soon.
Yes, my liege.
My people must be avenged.
2 plus 3 times strong.
I
What do
sense
you
something
want?
elusive. My pleasure. What's the holdup? It shall be done. My people must be avenged.
Is someone injured?
You're interrupting my
Move
calculations.
soon.
The Blood
quick.
Elves await.
Time is mana.
I feel edgy. Outstanding. I sense something elusive.
I'll have it up in no
What's the
time.
holdup?
Right.
2 plus 3 times strong. What do
My
you
people
want?
must be avenged. Damn. We'll have to find a way across the lake to reach the outlying gold mine. Naga, you fought for the demon Illidan.
We are on our own now, good prince. I am called Lady Vash. My brethren and I come in peace to offer you our aid.
You have nothing I need, witch.
Is that so? I thought you might require boats to reach the observatories you seek.
And you would give these freely? Why should I trust you, my lady?
Our two races share a common ancestry, Kale. Now, against the undead, we share a common peril. These boats are merely a gesture of goodwill.
Then I accept your offer. Thank you. What's the holdup?
No, not
I
like
sense
that.
something
Let me do it.
elusive. We should move soon.
I'll have it up in no time. 2 plus 3 times... What do you want?
I feel edgy. I feel edgy. I sense something elusive. Very good.
Our forces are under attack.
What ails you? We should move
You're
soon.
interrupting my calculations.
My people must be avenged.
Say the word.
What's the holdup? What's the holdup? We should move
Job's
soon.
done. Build more farms.
You're interrupting my calculations.
I sense something elusive. I'll do my best. My people must be avenged.
Get on
Job's
with
done.
it.
I feel edgy. What's the holdup? Outstanding.
What do you need? Of
I
course.
sense something.
I'm on the job.
Yes, my liege.
My people must be avenged.
Say the word.
I feel edgy.
Yes, my liege.
I'm on the job.
We should move soon.
Job's done.
What do you need?
2 plus 3 times... What do you want? How did that
We
get
should
approved?
move soon.
I'm on the job.
It shall be done.
Orders?
I feel edgy. I'll do my best. Vengeance. Very good.
Can I help you?
I'm on the job.
Say the word. Orders?
I sense something elusive.
Say the word.
I'm on the job.
My pleasure.
No, no, no.
Our
Not like
forces
that.
are under attack.
My people must be
Yes,
avenged.
my liege. Yes, my
I'm
liege.
on the job. I'll have it up in no time.
I can't build there.
That's not in the
We
blueprints.
should move soon.
Job's done.
I sense something elusive.
I'm on the job.
I feel edgy. Very good.
Orders?
No, no, no. Not like that. I'm on the job. Let me do it.
We should move soon.
What do you Say the word.
You're interrupting my calculations. I'm
Build
on the
more
job.
farms. Job's done.
2 plus 3 times... What do you want?
I sense something elusive.
I'm on the job.
Ready for action.
I'll have it up in no time. Yes, yes, I'm already on it. I'm
Build
on the
more
job.
farms.
You want me to do what? An elf would have thought of something
Job's
better.
done.
You're interrupting
Ready
my
for action.
calculations.
What do you need?
What's the holdup? I feel edgy.
Say the word.
I'm on the job.
Job's done.
I'll have it up in no time.
Yes, my liege. Aye, my lord.
I feel edgy.
Job's done.
No, 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 not like that. Let me do
We
it.
should move soon.
Orders? On my
Job's
way.
done.
What's the holdup? My people must be avenged. I said something elusive. My people must be avenged. It shall be done.
Job's done. 2 plus 3 times star. What do you want? You're interrupting my
More
calculations.
lumber is required.
An elf would have thought of something better.
What's the holdup?
Yes, my liege.
Is someone injured?
Job's done. I'll have it up in no time. How did that get
Upgrade
approved?
complete.
No, not like that. Let me do it.
We should move soon.
2 plus 3 times star. What do you want? You want me to do what?
I feel edgy.
Job's done.
I sense
Upgrade
something
complete.
elusive. Yes, my friend.
I'll have it up in no time. No, not like that. Let me do it. You're interrupting my
Job's done.
calculations.
More lumber is required.
That's not in the blueprints. 2 plus 3 times star. What do you want? I'll have it up in no time.
What's the holdup?
Upgrade complete. Job's done.
We should move soon.
Say a word.
First,
I'm on the job.
Orders. Say the word.
I feel edgy.
Job's done.
Is mana.
Orders. Locked and loaded.
Must be avenged.
Yes, my liege.
I feel edgy.
What do you need?
No, not like that. Let me do it. I'm on the job.
Aye, sir.
Get on with it.
You're interrupting my calculations.
Locked and loaded.
I'm on the job.
Research complete.
2 plus 3 times star. What do you want? Yes, I'm already on it.
We should move soon.
Get on with it.
What do you need?
I sense something elusive. What's the holdup? My people must be avenged. I feel edgy. What's the holdup?
Say
Orders.
the word.
You're interrupting my calculations.
I thirst for magic.
I'm on the job. Two plus 3 times star. What do you want? I'm on the job. How did that get approved?
Locked and loaded. I'm your shooter.
Job's done.
No, 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 not like that. Let me do it.
I come to
Job's
cleanse this
done.
land.
I'll have it up in no time. 2 plus 3
Research
times
complete.
What do you want?
Locked and loaded.
Is my aid required?
Yes, my liege.
This observatory is repaired. We need to move on to the next one.
On my way.
We should move soon.
Say the word.
I said something. I have to cleanse this land.
Yes, my liege.
My people must be avenged.
Combat!
I sent something elusive.
I'll have it up in no time. An elf would have thought of something better.
My people must be avenged.
Orders. Aye, my lord.
Be quick. Time is
Research
mana.
complete. Research complete.
Mortar combat!
What's the holdup? We should move soon.
Hello!
Research complete.
Job's
I
done.
feel edgy. I'll do my best. My pleasure. Outstanding. We've discovered more hidden supplies. It shall be done. I'll do my best.
You're interrupting my calculations.
My people must be avenged. Outstanding.
I smell magic in the air.
Job's done.
Time is mana.
I feel
Is
edgy.
my aid required?
Very good.
Research complete.
I sent something
Where do you want us?
elusive.
Job's done.
Yes,
my
someone
friend.
injured. We should move soon.
What ails you?
What's the holdup? My pleasure.
Let's get to fighting.
If someone injured, we should move soon.
Job's done.
My people must be avenged.
Job's done.
I said something.
Yes, my liege. Not enough, man. Where do you want us? Hey, you! Catch!
We should move soon.
What do you Let's get to fighting.
What's the holdup? I said something
Job's
elusive.
done.
I feel edgy. My people must be avenged.
Get on
Job's
with
done.
it.
Let's get to fighting.
Our forces are under attack.
No, 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 not like
I
that.
said
Let
something
me do it.
elusive. I feel edgy. Outstanding.
What ails you?
What's the holdup? My people must be avenged. Is my aid required?
You have a target?
Yes, my friend.
Show us a target.
We should move soon.
Yes, my friend.
Not enough, man.
Easily.
What's the holdup?
Our forces are under attack.
My people must be avenged.
Is my aid required?
I said something.
Is someone
Show us a
injured?
target. They're dead.
I feel edgy.
Our gold mine is running low.
Where do you want us?
This battle is over. What the blood?
What ails you? We should move soon.
Let's get to fighting. Our forces are under attack.
I sense something.
Show us a target. He's mortar.
Where do you want us?
Upgrade complete.
What the bloody?
Hold up. It shall be done.
Show us a target.
Get on with it.
Let's get to fighting.
You have a target?
Time to go. Let's get to fighting.
2 plus 3 times star. What do you want? No, 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 not like that. Let me do
My people must be
Let's
avenged.
show us a target.
You're interrupting my calculations. You want me to do what?
Be quick. Show us a target.
Be not dead.
I'll have it up in no time. Yes, yes, I'm already on it.
I feel
Is someone injured?
I'll have it up in no time. That's not in the blueprints.
we should move soon.
Where do you want us?
Yes, my friend.
Where do you want us?
Is my aid required? We should move soon.
What do you need?
What ails you? Right away.
Our gold mine has collapsed.
No, 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 not like that. Let me do it.
I sense something elusive. I feel
Is
my
someone
aid
injured?
required. My people must be avenged.
What ails you? As you wish.
You're interrupting my calculations.
Research complete. Job's done.
2 plus 3 times star. What do you want?
Job's done.
No, 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 not like
What's the
that.
holdup?
Let me
Yes,
do
my
it.
friend. Is someone injured?
Let's get to fighting.
What's the holdup?
Is my aid required?
More gold is required. Our forces are under attack.
We should move soon.
Yes, my friend.
I sense something elusive. My people must be avenged. My pleasure.
Research complete. Research complete.
What's the holdup?
What ails you?
We should move soon.
I thirst for magic. What
Some
ails you?
research complete.
Aye, sir.
I sense something
Show us a
elusive.
target. Come on, Shorty.
On our way. Mobile.
Yes, my
My
friend.
people must be avenged. I'll do my best.
Is my aid required?
Our forces are under
What's the
attack.
holdup?
Two plus 3 times star. What do you want?
I sense something.
Is my
elusive.
aid required? Of course.
I feel
Is someone
edgy.
injured?
My people must be avenged. We should move soon.
Yes, my friend.
We should move soon.
What ails you?
My people must be avenged.
I'm your shooter.
I await your
Show
command.
us a target. Let's get to
Aye,
fighting.
sir.
Job's done.
I'll have it up in no time. How did that get approved?
Yes, my lord. Is someone injured?
What's the holdup? I feel itchy. I sense something elusive.
Is my aid
We should
required?
move soon. I sense something elusive.
Research complete. Sire? Absolutely.
You're interrupting my calculations.
Research complete.
What's the holdup? I feel
Yes, my friend.
my people must be avenged. We should move soon.
What ails you?
I feel
My aid required. Yes, my friend.
I sense something elusive.
Very good. What ails you?
My people must be avenged.
By fire be
Is
purged.
someone injured?
What's the holdup?
Is my aid
I
required?
sense something elusive.
Our forces are under attack.
We should move soon. My people must be avenged.
And me.
You're interrupting my calculations. That's not in the blueprints.
I feel edgy.
2 plus 3 times
forces are under
what's the hell
attack.
you want?
Yes, my friend.
We should move soon.
No, 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 not like that. Let me do it. Yes, I'm already on it.
What's the holdup?
What ails you?
I sense something elusive.
Is someone injured?
My people must be avenged.
I am your servant. I am your servant. What ails you?
I feel edgy.
Our forces are under attack.
My people must be avenged.
You have a target?
Yes, my friend.
What's the holdup?
Job's done.
This is too easy.
Get on with it.
I feel edgy. I'll do my best.
I thirst for
I
magic.
sense something
Is someone injured?
elusive. My pleasure.
Job's done.
You're interrupting my calculations.
We should move soon.
Is my aid required? As you wish.
What's the holdup?
I await your command. What ails you?
Your Honor.
We should move soon. My people must be avenged.
Is my aid required?
I sense something elusive.
Yes, my friend.
Outstanding. It shall be done. Very good. Another supply cache. We'd best retrieve it quickly. I'll do my best. My pleasure.
Is someone injured?
I feel edgy.
Is my aid required?
Research
I
complete.
sense something elusive.
Be quick. Time is mana.
Your Honor.
We should move soon.
Sire?
I feel edgy. What's the holdup? Outstanding. My people must be avenged.
2 plus 3 times star. What do you want?
What's the holdup?
No, 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 not like that.
Take your
Let
time.
me do it.
Look around.
We should move soon. I sense something elusive.
What ails you?
Our forces are under attack.
I'll have it up in no time. An elf would have thought of something better.
Is someone injured?
The Blood Elves await.
Yes, my friend. Now feel my wrath. What ails you? Of course.
Our forces are under attack.
What do you need? I'll take care of it.
Yes, my friend.
My people must be avenged. Very good. It shall be done. I feel edgy.
Is my aid required? Right away. Be gone,
What's the
spawn of
holdup?
darkness.
Command me.
I'm your shooter. Okay. You have a target? I'm your shooter.
Yes, my lord.
Is someone injured?
Our forces are under
We
attack.
should move soon. Outstanding. Very good.
Is someone injured?
I sense something elusive.
What ails you?
The Blood Elves await.
My people must be avenged.
Be quick.
We
Time
should
is
move
mana.
soon.
Yes, my friend.
What's the holdup?
Is my aid required?
My people must be avenged. I sense something elusive. I feel edgy.
What ails you?
What's the holdup? My pleasure.
Is my
We
aid
should
required?
move soon. We've discovered more hidden supplies. It shall be done. I'll do my best. It shall be done. This is too
Yes,
easy.
my friend.
I feel edgy.
Is someone
I sense
injured?
something elusive. Outstanding.
You're interrupting my calculations.
My people must be avenged. Very good. What's the holdup? I feel edgy.
No, 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 not like that. Let me do it.
We should move soon. I'll do my best. I sense something elusive.
2 plus 3 times star.
My
What do
people
you
must
want?
be avenged.
What ails you?
My people must be avenged. We should move soon. I feel edgy. sense something elusive. My pleasure. Hail, Lord Garithos. The observatories have been repaired as you requested. We were just about to—
I received ill news from the front line. Is it true that you've consorted with the vile Naga?
Well, yes, my lord. They helped us cross the lake. I assure you they pose no threat to us or to—
They are inhuman and must be crushed like any other enemy. Be careful where you place your loyalties, Blood Elf. I will not tolerate treason in my ranks. Now I must return to the front. You will remain here and wait for further orders.